amiket álmodom, mert ott vagy egy mosoly helyén.
All right. What up? W's, man. W's in the chat, Nick. W's. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. W for our guest was in the building, looking hotter than the noonday sun.
Yes, sir.
Damn. Today's podcast inaingia kwa Bara, you guy. Our haters thought we are down, but they never knew what we have up our sleeves, my guy.
We have an S.
You guys, the Joker. Take it up.
Kula tano.
Yeah. Mazita Wesa sana, no. So W's in the chat. I'm gonna put in some intro music. And then tuanze kitu. Bashir ananifinya sana kwa amenona sana mno.
Kwa mpigo tena shana.
Bashir needs to lose some weight, niggas. He needs to lose some weight, but today is not that day.
Chanena bashi.
Today is not that day. Leo we are on our best behavior, guys. No fat jokes. Even if Bashir is fat.
Is this existing?
And a joke.
Asipige fat jokes juu utazikula.
You guys nimepona, you guys. My pot is gone.
Kwani kunaona ni ugonjwa hivi?
Kwa nini uskipwa? Aya, twende kazi. I'm going to put in some intro music. Bash, you're going to do the honors.
Sure.
All right, let's go. Let me put the intro music. Let's go. There we go. Is the mic good?
I hope so. I am very conscious.
Sure, before you
Yeah.
But you count.
I count.
Check it, strike zero.
Hata intro
Anything before the
haijaanza.
intro, I count.
Hiyo ni prelude.
Aya, Bashir, twende kazi. Piga intro.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this very special episode of the Kisiangani podcast.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start on the far left, right. On the far right, Nduta Karaoke haonekani but ako in the building. Empress herself.
Unasikia Nduta tuambieni hapo.
You hear Nduta, kama unasikia Nduta yaka W's. And then tukirudi hivi mazee, we have the light skin menace. George Waweru aka COO in the building.
Shout out.
Looking mazee light skin as ever.
Shaman Shepherd.
Tattoo mazee, you guys.
Shout out to Elena.
Yeah, shout out mazee to Elena and shout out to George Waweru. We have the former fat Nick who is no longer fat. He has been healed. He no longer has a pot belly.
Shout out to the Lord.
Alienda mazee kwa waganga huko Luandeti. Wakamfanyia mambo mawili matatu.
You guy.
And after producing a black cock, he was able to be healed. And he is back without a tummy.
Let's go.
We have the man himself, the mayor of Luandeti, Emmanuel Bebes.
Let's go. Baby.
And there's someone here, Maze, that I've been trying to bring to the podcast. This is one of those amazing
guys,
souls.
I know I've been missing for a while, but that's no way to introduce me.
I think it's talking about me.
Yeah.
So.
This is someone I met during I was hosting a film screening, and then I got to hang out with filmmakers and producers and there were such cool people.
Some guys doing some real shit.
You guys. And then nikamwambia anafaa kuja podcast, and 1 year later here she is. Just out of France, she was doing the Cannes Festival. Representing the 254 in the global stage.
Damn.
Super producer and filmmaker.
Yeah.
Ivan.
Good stuff. And last but not least, man, the illest Jama himself.
Still fat.
You guy, Mr. Bashir, freaking alive in the building, man.
Yes, sir. Call
Looking
me
as
lipids.
pink as nonsense today, man. But karibu sana Bashir. I don't know, man. You guys didn't look. And I think I'm a bit tired. That's why. Ivy, you're looking good.
Asante.
Love your style, man.
Nice.
Are you an Earth girl?
Am I an Earth girl?
What's an Earth girl?
Hey, what is an Earth girl?
That's what I'm asking.
That's a good question.
Am I an Earth girl?
No, I'm asking if you're an Earth girl.
I am from Earth.
I
am an Earth girl.
What's an Earth girl, Bash?
I know it's subculture, I'd call it.
Like bohemian.
Like when you nimeona it's like from the dressing nini, like a lot of ornaments, long
George
dresses.
I don't have any ornaments.
Sorry.
No,
I was just
normal
cracking a
brown.
joke. Yes, come on, man.
Hata huku amini.
You need
Watu wa
to show yake
dready.
yote, you guy.
Yeah.
Let me begin.
Sasa when you ask girl.
All right,
I think Atka.
Yes, wali Afghan limeingia mtaro.
I think I'm tired. So we're in the middle of resolving this art girl conundrum.
If I am an art girl. Maybe I'm also conscious of my environment and where I'm at and the species in the space I live in. So maybe because of that I am an art girl.
All right.
Ulikuwa ndani ya art girl nini?
That's what I'm asking. I've
Wetuambie.
I've only met one person who confesses they're an Afghan, which is Chess Mthusi. Shout out.
Shout out to Chesson.
Yeah. Bashir ndo aliambiwa ni Afghan.
Bashir, definition yako ya art girl ni?
I know this girl who's from Earth venye umesema.
Ipo nisio uniambia.
Yeah.
Ukuniambia hivyo.
No, okay. Venye mimi naweza angalia art girl naweza sema it's a subculture in the way the dressing, maybe the music, nini. So like the ornaments, everything. Like it's like a style. Even though naweza sema like an art girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this person who confesses she's an art girl, who is she? Or what about her makes her
Her
an
name
art girl?
is Chess.
Chess.
I was trying to figure out what made her say she's an Afghan, but she's connected into, I think, spirituality.
And
Her
crystals.
third eye is freaking open like a nonsense. She calls herself a healer. Yeah, such stuff.
Big ass titties. She does.
Yeah,
You were
man.
so deep. You were like, as in you were,
That can fit the earth. No wonder she's called an Atka.
Wait, kuna msee anasema Afghan ni Nuta. You think you're an Afghan?
I would
No.
say so. But in this sense, maybe it's just aspects of many things. I think it's not just one way of being. There is the how it looks, the aesthetics of it. There is the being in tune with other things in this world that are not the day-to-day things. You know.
Sort of like grounding.
Yeah, I think so.
Astrology, is that part of
Astrology.
Crystals.
I think the stars are outside there.
Yeah.
Nimetamleta kila kitu. Sage.
Sage.
energies, like you
Nini?
believe in like
Kuban incense.
chakras.
Incense, yeah.
Kunini kuhowl at the moon things.
Yeah. So mi nikifikiria art girl ni hiyo, like it's like
It's
like
it's a
they
bunch
believe
of
in
things.
energies. Like Ivy aliingia hapa akasema maze kuna samni akatoa sage akasema kuna some bad spirits hapa kwa
Cheki.
nini.
Chiki kisengani akizimia.
Ulisacrifice nini ndo kitambi ishe tuambia what type of black magic.
But I've just covered it up, right, you guys. It's still right there, you guys, like DMX. Checky, bring it! What? So you have to stop, because it's a live stream, you have to, sorry. So yeah, Bashir, tell us how you met once again.
Oh,
You can start from there.
Yeah, by the way I met Brian Ogola, I met Ivy, and I met Habiba on the same day. So Habiba amekuwa Radio Generation, she's also a producer. So I was hosting a screening of a short film called Goat. I don't know if imetokea, but it's a really good show. It's like it's a short film.
You wouldn't say it's
23 minutes.
meh.
Alrighty.
Hiyo tutacount hiyo. Sasa after hapa sasa George
Ame nini standard.
nikaa Yesu mazi. All sins have been forgiven. Kutoka hapa sasa tukiendelea.
Sorry, goat.
Yeah, goat. So that's how I hosted, and then after that there was like a shindig ama wanaita
Shindig.
Yeah. After hapo, so we were hanging out at the director writer.
Yep.
She's called Judy. She's like is she a partner of DocuBox ama she's the founder?
Yeah, she's the founder.
Yeah, so DocuBox is a platform that basically helps with funding and support for filmmakers and everything. So tulikuwa hapo mazee tunakunywa. Hiyo ndio nilikuwa nakunywa some spicy Smirnoff. Because Smirnoff iko na pilipili
Tamarind.
Tamarind. Yeah, some tume hang out mazee, Brian Ogola, the other chick was the starring nini, just I was like the only comedian and then surrounded with like a lot of like filmmakers and actors and nini and they were so cool. Kutana na yeye nini nikamwambia we have to link up and
no, which is a good thing. Maybe we can start from there. Like what do you think how do you think we're doing as like telling our own stories in Kenya right now?
To be honest, in the last tuseme kutoka 2020 watu wameimprove filmmaking in Kenya. See the same. See Vioja Mahakamani.
Shout out Vioja.
Shout out.
wewe ni hot girl.
But because pia tunaanza kujua na kupata access to the outside world in terms of funding na collaboration, tuna improve sana in how we're making our films.
Okay.
The only downside is I think hazirudi home. Ama watu wa home huku our get ku watch hizi films.
Yeah.
I think that's the only downside. Pia sisi hatujui how we can distribute our films in a way people can actually come and watch and we can benefit from it.
Oh, okay.
So that's the only downside, but Kenyans tunajulikana ku make films. Out here people know Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, we are the dominating African countries in the filmmaking space.
Uganda
in
is
Africa.
nowhere to be seen on this list.
Kuna film moja mbili si ati hawako in the space at all, but see as many as tuseme Kenyans wanatoa.
Okay. Yeah, kuna hii film ya sijui How to Build a Library, which they were showing abroad. But it's Cannes Film Festival. I don't know if that's where they showed it.
No, Sundance.
But like I was asking them, how can we see it? And it was a hard question to answer.
Yeah. So ata sayu actually wanaishow on 25th nilini? On 25th wana walai. I think wanaishow at Gote. Nimeona wanashow Gote.
Tutakuwa in the streets.
Tutakuwa mazetu na
Najaribu
commemorate.
kukuambia tu. Umeuliza.
Anasema fast.
Umeuliza where can we see?
No, I'm kidding.
Aya, basi.
No, when?
So they're showing it. So they're showing at Gote.
At Gote. Another place watu wenanga sana kuwatch film zetu as you showing sana Unseen.
Yeah.
There is a space called Unseen Cinema in Kilimani that really promotes African content, not just Kenyan African content, and for independent filmmakers. So kuna spaces, I think pia it's either unajua ina happen ama ujui. And I actually, it would be interesting for me to know from you guys ni ka How to Build a Library ulijuaje?
Tuliwa interview kwa radio.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, so they were guests on our show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause
And I
pia
watched, they sent me a sort of a private link to watch it, and it was really cool. It was a fun watch.
right.
Yeah.
Na kuna lot more kama How to Build a Library.
Yeah.
Ndio uwajue ukuje kuwa host, uliwajuaje? Like for you, before they came to host, to be a guest on your radio show, how did you know about them, or how did that
To be honest, I didn't know them. Producer and Leolet. I think
see,
they were doing
I
a
see.
run around.
They were promoting
Yeah,
them.
they were promoting the thing.
Okay.
So that's how I got to know
Yeah.
them. If they didn't come, I wouldn't have known.
Yeah, I
Which is
see.
sad. Because it was such a dope story. It was about the Macmillan Library. If you guys haven't seen it, you should. I don't know where we can find it.
Yeah.
But if they're showing at Gote.
It's showing at Gote.
So Mandamano alafu Gote was saying.
Good
Once
sir.
na how to build a
Sapo.
library and then how to ban one and next.
Fuck yeah! You got me back, bitch!
Let's go. On the boat, we have Bashir
Nimeleta
Halaiki.
guest na mimi simfani.
You guys are joking. So,
time
so
huko around walisema we si mfani.
ni John John.
Ndio tali sasa.
Sawa. Ndio maana watu waenda
Wewe
France.
ni best yangu Bashir.
So, but isn't it sad? And I'm not hating, right?
Yeah, but
isn't it sad that number one, Unseen is owned by a white chick, right? Gote, obviously, the Gamans. So there are no spaces where we
Good,
promote our own things. Kivyetu as Nyeuviv.
Kusema ukweli hakuna. Na biggest problem yetu ni the only way tunaweza make profit in distribution ni kuenda kwa cinemas. Kwambia watu kujeni kwa cinemas, mlipie to buy ticket, watch the film so we can also benefit from it. A lot of the cinemas in Kenya, they don't accept Kenyan films. Tumejaribu to Rivers, tumejaribu iko Garden City. Tuna try na wanakataa.
For real?
Si ati hatujajaribu, si
Wanafikiria
ati hatuendi.
tutatokea kuwatch ama wanafikiria
Exactly. Au wanasema kuna blockbuster ina show na movie yako hapo sioni venye movie yako watu watakuja compared na blockbuster.
Yeah.
Na kusema kweli ni ukweli.
Ni ukweli.
Ni
What
ukweli.
is that?
Hata
Ukweli.
hata ukuje uende hata ukuje sema Prestige also really promotes, but the babe who owns is Indian. I don't know if is that closer to home?
At least one Kenyan Indian. Okay, two
right?
Kenyan Indians. Yeah.
Prestige also really promotes.
So-
Otherwise, zingine.
So what if maybe legislation waseme local movie theaters should play local movies X times a week?
Yeah.
That is
There's a minimum.
exactly what you need.
But are they gonna make losses on those evenings? That's the question.
They could.
Yeah.
They could. Because zenye watu hawakuji kuwatch unless there's something in a back hiyo story tuseme kama Rafiki ilikuanga about two lesbian babes.
Yeah.
Watu mbona walikuja kuwatch juu ilibaniwa Kenya. So of course you're coming to watch juu wani nini imebaniwa Kenya na ni ya lesbians.
Yeah.
Softy also really made it's a documentary about Boniface Mwangi.
Yeah.
Also that people really came. And maybe it's because people know Boni. But again pia kukiwe options probably ni juu tu Boni anajulikana na kona mafans wengi watu wakakam kuwatch. Hizi zingine zote zimeshow. Tumekuwa na movies zingine poa poa. Tumekuwa na Supermodo, amazing project.
You
Production team.
I
produce.
I didn't produce. I was part of the production team.
What does that mean?
I was so in.
You see, a team is a collection. A collection of individuals with one goal.
That is true. But in filmmaking kuna ma departments mob. Na under producer kuna kuanga na line producer, production manager, production coordinator, production assistant. Au wote ni wa kusaidia logistically film run. So nilikuanga part of production, so nilikuwa production assistant wa Supermodo.
Okay. All right. Shout out to you, man. Good job.
Shout out.
You're on a certain trajectory. Nika kuinterrupt na historia sijui team. You're saying Supermodo wase walitokea coach.
Not as much. It didn't make rounds the way the others did.
Do means no.
Bashara Juangi.
Cheka akasema tu, nikajiuliza hiyo ni nini? Because what you mean tu? But it's a guest. So we just let her continue the trajectory that you're on.
Lol.
Naleta best yako dem dobo yako anakuwa comedian.
Manze. Akwangi hivi siku zingine.
Wangi mfani. Hata mimi nashanga. Anasindikiza hadi na impression.
Nyinyi mna interrupt guest. Wase watakazirika sana kwa hii time.
Nice story, distribution. What about these independent that parties like kama Philly TV who are charging like a 50 bob or a 200 bob to watch a movie? Is that working?
I think honestly for them it is. It is.
Just for them,
I
not
think.
the industry at large.
So now, because they only put up films zao zenye wamemake.
True.
And hiyo ndio njia I think pia tunafaa tunaenda. Okay, watu wakuje cinema ni avenues gani zingine watu wanaweza watch?
YouTube.
Exact. Pia YouTube is, but at the end of the day bado we want to make money.
Yeah.
To see as in hata sisi tunataka art yetu tulipe. Tusikuwe tumeshinda tukifanya passion projects maisha yetu yote.
Yeah,
Plus
that's
you put
true.
in money into
Exactly.
the project. So yeah.
How
we want
expensive
to
is
make
it to
ends meet.
make a short film?
Say it again?
How much does it take to make a
Yani.
short film?
Good question. Honestly, unaweza make
Wewe umesikia good question tangu anze kuuliza swali.
Sorry.
kusema kweli inavari. Mtu anaweza tengeneza hata na $3,000. Sema hiyo ni ka 300k inaweza enda up to $1 million, $2 million, $3 million.
Okay.
So a really good maybe it's a short film. Ukiwa na 2 million to 4 million hiyo ni
You have a product.
You know how many minutes?
Sema hata 15 minutes 20 max.
Dose na kulona nini maximum sana.
Crew kulipa na hii 2 million bado hujalipa crew rate ya full. Tuseme mtu rate yake ni 20k a day bado hujamlipa, bado tumebagain na yeye. Equipment
Unachukua 3k.
Niko na hii project. No, itafanya poa,
Bro, trust
I have
me,
a good
bro,
feeling about
bro.
hii project.
Bashir ako hapo ndani, Duta ako hapo ndani. Na unajua unachukua 4k. So unachukua
even though you bagain
Yeah.
to enjoy it.
I know.
No, hata si project. You're talking to the
nini ingine equipment na actually susemanga mika producer sema yue nanga pia kwa kitu useless yenye ionekani kwa film kama chakula na transport. Juu at the end of the day bado lazima mkule
Siangali
meals
lazima
kama
niko
tatu.
explainia chakula ni.
kama nuni hata itaonekana. Asa ametumia domob kwa nitoje in film. Fuck, it's called catering.
Catering, yes, correct.
And then also, if you book a venue for a day, there's I think, I don't know who was telling us, if you book, say, if you're shooting here, so you only have that day to shoot here, right? So if something happens, like it rains, mandamano, and then now you have to book for another day, that's a loss.
Yeah. Exactly. So in filmmaking, time ni currency. Huwezi waste time. You're right, because as long as nimebook umse hapa na hiyo ni si locations tu, ni equipment, ni watu, ni transport. Ni yani ujue hiyo day yako imeenda loss. Juu hata mse wa transport ananiambia hivi sijaenda job ingine juu nimekuja hapa. You have to pay for the car. Hivi nimetoa equipment ingena mali pengine, you have to pay for the equipment. Crew as well, nimetoka home nimekaa hapa the whole day, ningekuwa job mali pengine. You see, so ni kila kitu ni cost at this point.
Maoga brother wanafanyangaje, because them they post their movies on YouTube, right? What do you think what tricks do you think they use to move forward?
Nigeria na wana trick ni watu wao wana watch content yao bas. Ni that simple. Watu wao wana watch content yao, so watu wakiweka YouTube, a lot of people are watching, because also
like
we're moving
millions,
in the
millions
era.
of views.
Exactly, wana hit ma millions. Tuna move pia kwa era ya watu kuwatch short videos sana, like on phones. Pia sisi lazima tujue kwa just na feel bado hatuja switch ku create short content for our short attention
like
span.
micro dramas ama
Hata K-dramas wameanza kufanya hizo vitu tu, short clips wanaziweka TikTok, wanaziweka Facebook, usijuka Facebook. Watu tumia Facebook bado. Sorry.
Umeoffend hapa kila mtu.
Tuko live on Facebook.
Cheki pok.
Ati pok. Yeah.
But yeah, bado sisi kusema kweli hatujua kutransition. And a lot of comedians I think also are doing it. Like kina nani? Njugush. Tuna create short content.
Oh, I thought you said
comedian.
comedian.
Oh,
No, we're hating.
Comedians, manze. Be careful.
No, we are just hating. Sorry.
Usiulize unaweza ignorant questions. Hata mimi. Allow me.
No, shout out to Njugush. So they're what are they doing, Kina Njugush?
No, my point is how they're creating short content.
Oh, okay.
For people to watch. Ni kitu bado sisi hatujaweza kutransition.
But I think if the product is good, wase wata watch atakani long form. I think his story is short. Yes, there's a huge percentage of short, like guys who live short stuff. But if you put out a long thing, which is really intriguing, guys will watch. Or if you're known to put out those things. But you're right about majority having that short attention span. Kuna wasa wanasemanga hii intro ipod is too long tukiingia live. Jeki manu toa hiyo kitu. Guys, they lose interest after 9 seconds. Intro yenyu ni 20 minutes. See, there's really someone bitching over here. So
Was the 20 minutes doing nothing?
so you guys have to join the live. You have to test the mics. I was going somewhere. Nilikuwa na question ingine kali bro.
Aya, niko na swali. I went to Junction, and the other day I was supposed to watch another movie. But hiyo ilikuwa imeanza. And then there was another movie that was starting around that time. Ilikuwa najita The Fisherman. It's a Ghanaian film nini. And it was about a talking fish, and it was hilarious. It was funny, but tulikuwa waseka watatu kwa hiyo ni. It was a good film.
Right.
Kabisa.
Oh, okay.
Even the fact that it made it to the wanasema most cinemas don't allow like African films. The fact that ilifika up was like, I understand why. But I didn't see it being promoted anywhere, or maybe where it was being promoted sikuona.
Yeah.
Like, but it was a good film. So I don't think it's about the quality of the films that we are making. Is that we just don't consume our own films. Me as a kid, I used to watch Afro cinema. Horrible stuff. But Nigerians made horrible films so much they became good at making films. But the thing is, even Kenyans were consuming their shit products. So why is it when it comes to our own stuff tunainulia mapua? Like hatutawai watch film ya Kenya unless imefika international standard. Like how do we expect to grow the industry if we don't consume the mediocre first and build up then like I think tuko tuna inferiority complex flani. That's why tutaenda kuwatch Toy Story 5 na sijui Super Mario.
Michael Jackson.
But we won't consume ni na
Super
like it's
Monster.
like
So maybe do you think maybe it's maybe the audience needs to be habituated into watching our local content, because as Bashir is saying, it's really dope. Maybe when a film comes out, mnapiga podcast runs in local podcasts.
Right.
Tunamsema ameandika hapo, tumia Obina to do the marketing. I think Obina na but you get the point.
you know
Yeah.
kuna ma YouTube page mob.
Kuna neo waliuliza about how we got to know about how to build a library. I didn't know.
Right, yeah.
Which is a waste, because it's such a good film. So do you think maybe in Historia, Kenyans, we don't consume our content is a self-fulfilling narrative that we keep saying, so we just
becoming-
tweak a thing, like the way Kamapa. I'm sure now you've put us on to most of your work. You go to Mwafrika's podcasts. There's a guy called Eric, unaenda huko, unaenda Obina. You just do a run. Ama?
Yeah, you're right, honestly. I think pia sisi yenyewe hatujui kumarket, because other than kuiweka wapi social media, na pia si tunaanza kurealize we are marketing for fellow filmmakers and filmmakers friends. You get, so, and those are the people who also come to watch the films. Jota niki post seme on my post or on my stories, ni watu tu wangu wenye mostly social media yangu imejana ni filmmakers. Na mabeshte wangu outside of filmmaking wanne labda. So even us, to be honest, tuna try. I think pia marketing si too bop, but you're right. Hata venye umesema hivyo, I'm like, kukam kwa podcast doesn't take anything. You didn't charge me to come. I think we think of the bigger things like posters, like radio and all these things. It's money.
But also maybe because you're a filmmaker, maybe in these developed networks, there are people whose work is doing that promotion and they actually do it. Ama?
We do have marketing people and PR, but ni venye nakwambia tumezoea. Hata tukiwa na marketing strategy, tutaenda kwa billboard, tutaenda kwa radio. Bas. That's as much as marketing, and of course social media. As much as marketing we do. But yenyewe hata sisi venye umesema sahi, now it's hitting me. Mbona tunani podcast? So many like wananchi like
No,
listen
mic check.
to podcasts. We just don't do it actually.
Itugi TV. Good audience. But you get my
Yeah, absolutely. I do. I get what you're saying. And hata mimi naanza ku rethink. Maybe tusaidie pia sisi tujue what other ways can we reach the masses. Juu ni kama tumeshindwa mahali kuna block.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome to Alicia Kanini TV. I'm here to promote my new movie. It's called Building a Library.
Okay, after kuchapa unawekewa Building a Library. You get captive audience, bro. Although it'll be a bit wet, but it's all good.
na like festivals, I think your time nikihang out na nini, you do this thing called, is it shorts ama nini? Like kuna Nairobi, even the reason walikuja radio awasewa building.
Basha alienda hiyo event akifanya short tatu.
Cheki manu come tuende ni free entry.
Mimi nitakula mbili wewe kuona moja. Hakuna shida.
Even the reason awasewa how to build a library walikuja ni they were promoting Nairobi Film Festival. So they were supposed to be part of the name. So what about Izom and Ni, like in terms of outreach, like doing festivals and screenings and nini?
For a fact, sufanya festivals. Iyo ni without
Fear of contradiction.
Festivals tunafanya tunazipeleka sana festivals. I think that's not even a doubt. But even with those festivals, who are the people coming to NBO Film Fest? Filmmakers.
And
Who are the people coming to shorts? Filmmakers. I think upon your loop that tutoki from promoting it to fellow filmmakers, because already tutakuja regardless whether tunapenda hiyo film ama tupendi tunakam kupromote. Ni watu nyinyi mko mnajua NBO Film Fest ina happen? No. It was open to everyone. And it wasn't just in even one location. Ilikuanga Prestige, ilikuanga Kaloleni, na ilikuanga Unseen. Like it was open to the masses, but still
Unseen.
Watu our people were unseen.
But Mazei Port,
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, do you guys watch films that are on Netflix? I feel like Netflix is the one thing
Yes.
that's accessible, not films, sorry, Kenyan films that are on Netflix. Is
Yeah.
that Ni space watu wanaendanga kuwatch?
Well, for me, I've watched a couple of the ones on Netflix.
Kama gani hivi?
It has it's like an opposite word. Disconnect. I watched Disconnect. I watched there was a one with twin father. Yeah, Maurice someone.
Cerulo.
Maurice
Mwangi, shout out. But yeah, I've seen a couple of
na
films.
mkurugenzi pia sijui a very Christmas something.
Big Little Lies, Small Little Lies.
Yeah.
That wasn't on Netflix though. But
Showmax, I think.
Showmax, yes, Showmax
Yeah.
is a big one. Yeah.
Okay.
Showmax is really good with local
Yeah, with
productions,
schedule,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have you guys felt the impact of Showmax? Have they moved their catalog to DSTV? What's happening?
So ideally, it's being rebranded.
Okay.
So Canal Plus is what owns Showmax now.
That's what you said.
Yeah.
Kano?
Ametoka
Ni
France
France.
juzi,
Kano?
so it-
French.
Hivyo ndo watu
Different.
pia
Umesema?
nimesikia tu akisema
Plus.
Canal Plus.
I'm gonna use that in my next party. Checking, you know, our shows on Showmax, but Canal Plus. Squad content.
Va scarf, huwezi kuja tu Canal Plus bila scarf.
Na I think hawajakuwa wakimake do. So no maana I don't know if it's being rebranded ama hizo catalogs zinamuvishwa from Showmax they're going to Canal Plus and one of the Plus.
Yeah.
And one of the other like broadcasters or distributors.
Did you have any work
So
on Showmax?
I
I'm sure you
haven't
did.
done anything like series related, truth be told. See, I think pia tunakwanga divided in that way. Kuna watu wanafanyanga like what you call it, TV shows. Kuna watu wanafanya films. Kuna films ni fiction. Kuna watu wanafanya documentary. So mi sijaifanya series na
Yeah, even from your timeline, it's mainly movies, right?
it's mainly movies. Exactly.
Okay. Is there
Big
like
screen.
a reason?
No, nataka tu kitu ya turnaround time faster. I don't know. Niko
Is it
na
a business
bias
decision?
mingi.
Tell us your biases.
I don't like how Showmax works, truth be told. We don't like that most of the series they ask us to do, originals ni maybe come moja ama mbili. Most of them ni za South Africa.
True.
And they're
Polygamist KE.
Bas.
Yes.
Bas.
Sasa so annoying.
Kudenja.
Exactly.
There's so many writers huku Kenya. So why wouldn't you make films?
After 10
Outside of
minutes
that
kwa
wakupatia turnaround time fupi na pesa
bado.
wanakupatia ni ridiculous. If you hear what South Africans are getting and what Kenyans and Ugandans get, guys, come on. Na pia Ugandans
Yeah.
my Ugandans alifanyia
So it's a huge disparity.
huge. Again, also they take forever before they finally finish paying. As in,
Kulikuwa
wako na
na
mashida.
mavitu.
Mavitu mob sana. Mavitu mob. Naweka producer at the end of the day ata na hizi films bado si zako, hizi series si zako. It's commissioned, so it's completely theirs. You cannot do anything with it. You can't get any profit. Ukishajilipa from the budget, imeenda hivyo. Na usipojilipa from the budget iza. Jubado hizo budgets ni a bit ridiculous. They are very low.
All right.
Very low.
So at a residual, that's what I mean.
Na
And
like
the worst
variety.
thing, watu wanachukua. So hata tukiteta, unajua mbona wana nini? There's always someone who's going to take a shot.
Hakuna lawyer unity.
Kuna.
Wase wa 22 best.
Basha kwa 100K kwa YouTube, you guy. What the fuck?
We did a show for... Okay,
So
go
why
ahead.
are you asking about the Netflix? Where did you wanna go
Just
with
to
that?
also know
Yeah.
watu wana watch. Okay, ni sawa maybe tuseme cinemas watu hawakuji ama wajui about hizo films, but kuna zenye ziko Netflix na I think hiyo ni accessible.
Yeah.
Watu wana watch.
Yeah,
Bado.
yeah.
That's the thing.
True,
Na pia Netflix again we are still at
Bado.
wanakata kutupe originals juu wanasema Kenyans our watch. Bless you.
Acha!
Fuck was that?
Wewe tuko na mgeni bana. Behave. Hujawahi
I
sneeze
will really
any
talk
other
about
day.
this podcast akitoka.
Check it so-
Nakwambia watu wa watch kweli. Hey.
check what
Check
we
out
should
another pod. Kidogo someone starts sneezing. Haya, kidogo mseme ni interrupt. It was strange.
Nimejaribu kushikilia.
On the head.
We mzee wa clips. Eka hii next to ile tokens. Yeah, man. No, you're saying something, huh? Who will say?
Yeah, she was
Genge version ya Kenyan films ni gani? Sorry, mnaangalia ngezi comments.
No, you just glance. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Bring me back.
If you're still
It was
watching Kenyan
Netflix,
things.
Kenyan shit.
Yeah, not
Numbers
me.
important.
Netflix watching.
Maybe.
Maybe.
No, we can move it along.
Where did you start? Before you get into production, you must have been on a film set somehow. What was your journey like? Did you start as an actor?
Good question.
Actually, it is a good question.
Cheki ndio akitoka home na swali cheki.
Aliniambia good question ngapi?
Fuck, I need to do better.
Nilianza kufanya theater at first. So nilikuwa nafanya traveling theater with set
KUTT?
books.
Or
Oh, okay.
KUTT? Oh, at KU. Were you
Not KU, not KU. KNT.
Oh.
Okay.
Kenya National Theatre. Na nilifanya right off the bat after high school kutoka 18. And I did it for maybe 2 years.
Right off the bat.
Unamprompta make joke.
No, I just wanted to clarify. Take it right off the bat.
Guys, you see, I just came from campus.
From the bat.
Yo.
KU
And
campus.
then my first production ilikuanga Sense8 in
Oh.
2016.
Shout
Imagine. That was my entry
Sense8 was
point
nice.
to
Damn.
filmmaking.
Did you meet the brothers? Were they sisters or then?
Walikuanga
Brother,
sisters.
sister.
They were sisters even then? Oh, okay.
Walikuwa-
Unajua wali-
by the time tukafanya Sense8 walikuwa sisters.
Ayo,
You know that?
okay.
Nini?
Kisangani-
The directors.
Ni wenye wamefanya
Oh,
Matrix.
Wachowski.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know.
They
Yeah.
transitioned.
Yeah, they did, yeah.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
Transition
Chiki Bata
to making
ndio
short
maneno.
films. Huh?
Wale also made
That's true.
and they the Matrix
Matrix,
guys.
yeah, exactly.
And then
Yeah.
by the time walikuwa wanafanya Sense8 walikuwa
Walikuwa
nini?
sisters.
Walikuwa sisters.
Sorry,
So
so you
Sounds
got
pretty
into that
cool.
We'll do a pod about how.
set.
Yeah, I think hiyo ndio I never looked back after ninge production nikaona how, and it was so big nizo tulifunga mabarabara huku Nairobi. We were like 100 crew members, like it was a bit absurd to be honest, and 100 tuseme Kenyans walileta their own international crew around 70, like it was absurd numbers we were dealing with. I was a production assistant at the time.
Shout out. How did you get in?
Hata nilienda interview, nilituma cold emails to a couple of productions.
At Wachowski.
Hapana.
Sorry.
Ginger Inc. So the people who service produced Sense8 were called Ginger Inc.
Okay.
What's
Yeah.
service production?
So service production ni if there's an international crew coming in, by law, any international crew coming in, they need a local fixer or producer
Buffer,
to
okay.
work with, right? So unawa service because wewe ndio sasa una handle everything logistics within the country. You don't really own
I'm here
rights.
for your service.
So you don't really own any rights to the story or anything. Ni a hired work, ni work for hire. Ideally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shout out Sense8 though. I actually
Sense8 was
I
fire.
crashed into one of those scenes nikiwa mnashoot hapo hivyo Reilu because I used to cut across to go to the go down.
Right.
Then one time I was pitting and I was like, what is happening? So
Where it was looking.
yeah, they blocked off that mini street, but I just got to pass before they fungua now to shoot.
Right.
So I was like, wow, this is dope. And then even like shooting on Globe.
Exactly.
That was dope.
Exactly.
So-
So, Uhuru Park as well, and we got like 300 extras. Like it was.
It was fun to be in such a
That was-
massive
Yeah.
production. Huh?
Honestly, sijai look back, sijai act tena. God knows what
Yo.
happens in theater anymore.
So it opened, like, did it open up your mind to new?
Like now I understood what filmmaking was, because considering mimi nimesomea KU nilikuwa nasomea film. Tukafundishwa tu who is an editor and who is a director. Going now into an actual film set na kuna first assistant director, kuna mtu wa script continuity, kuna mtu wa set design, as in ilikuwa massive sana. It was learning on the job for real.
Hata George alikuwa KU akifanya films.
Tell us more.
Kadhaa.
Blue film.
Shaving Ryan's private.
At least kwa hizo short films ulimaliza.
Umefanya short film for real?
Yeah, just one. It's on YouTube.
Mtatuonesha?
Yeah, of
Kisha,
course.
si ndio?
Yeah.
Ikuweka ad hapa katikati. Mnakuanga na ads?
Yeah, of course.
Bra, you guy. So you said you just sent in emails.
And to my cold emails.
So
I'm
nani-
a young girl from KU. Can I come to your production? And then they called me to like do an interview.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah.
It
Even
really worked
school
out.
yourself like that.
Eh,
As in to cold call, that is.
Yeah. No, that's crazy. So from them, what happened next after the massive Sense8?
Now I started doing like commercials. So I worked a lot with Ginger Inc. So again, they do a lot of international like productions.
Till
So-
date, huh?
Till date.
Yeah.
It's run by a British
Ginger.
couple.
Shout out to the British. Our colonial masters. Colonial masters.
They're still running.
They're still running shit, man.
Uh-huh.
Na nilikuwa freelance, so nikaanza tu kufanya magigs za commercial now in like different production companies. Na nika go up the ranks, so nilikuwa production
Sense
assistant.
9.
Umetry though.
Cheki mama
Umetry
ye.
though.
Mamel Churchill wapi?
Bringing Kenyans back together.
So was it able to pay your bills?
Eh.
Because after Sense8, I'm sure ilikuwa na...
Hapana. Haikuwa trajectory kubwa hivyo. Nili struggle kidogo. Cause pia umeekwa kwa hiyo space but bado watu wakujui. Kama si Ginger kukuhaya, the other times nilikuwa na chill tu homaki.
But kwa
But good
CV
thing
haikuwa
pia-
inasaidia. Like I worked on Sense8, wase wakiona kwa CV wanasema damn.
I mean, now yes. Then ilikuwa tu.
But it's because you're also growing your career.
Exactly. Honestly, because most production companies already have production people who are good.
Yeah.
You know, so pia mimi ingebidi ni jiprove sana. Alafu I think 2017 elections ikakam, there were no, every time kuna elections akunanga ma international jobs really, because kuna kuanga na hii don't come to Kenya, it's going to be so vitu zikaenda chini tena. But over time pia mi kuanza kukua maybe tuseme production manager, production coordinator, hiyo ilisaidia because then it means a lot more people get to know me. Because PA when mse wa chai, when
intern.
assistant,
It's assisting.
when you assistant.
Oh, you don't have like
So-
a high chair and...
I mean, to the other crew members who don't know you, anyone in production is like a producer, so that was nice.
Okay.
I loved the control.
Podcast inakwanga serious sana. Kuna podcast nafikia hiyo on seriousness.
But wewe unajua zile makazi unapewa tu ni za kuanza.
But you learn when you're doing those things, right?
You do
Yeah.
sana. Kuna vitu mimi sidhani nilikuwa najua kutumia Excel. Kumbe kukuwa producer unatumia Excel.
What?
Wewe si artist. Una run
George,
ma budgets, unafanya ma recons, ni accountant wa film.
Acha niulize swali ufala because
Uliza
venye
swali, yeah.
niliwapata niuliza hii swali. Difference ya director na producer ni nini?
Director ni mwenye ana create story. So anything, the way the actors are acting, the way the camera shots are moving, the type of locations we've used, the director runs that. Yeah, ni vision yake ndio ina come to life.
Okay.
Right? Producer, tuseme from development, wewe ndio una get financing, wewe ndio una get do ya your film, wewe ndio una get collaborators, because pia si kitu unafanya peke yako. Wewe ndio una hire crew, wewe ndio una sort logistics, na wewe pia ndio una handle distribution at the end.
Creative versus finance, more like.
I think it's
Director,
and
producer.
it's yeah,
Vision
exactly.
there.
Do you ever say
Na
the
si ati producer si creative, your ideas and thoughts also have to come into play. Juu consider wewe ndio unaleta mado, lazima hii film ikaipoa, lazima uonge vision yako ndio ujue venye utaweza kuleta do into the project. So yes, ataka director anasema hivi ndio nataka film ikue, zamwambia hapana, ukiweka hiyo light hivyo na feel aita attract watu, aita attract do, ama tutaweza kudistribute film vizuri hivyo.
What's the final say between the director and the producer?
Jesus.
Ten.
Jesus inaweza.
Producer.
You guys just married
Sasa nitafanya
Jesus.
nini? Haijanibamba mi personally. Ni joke.
Who has
Oh, the final
But
say.
also final
Trash.
say in
Jehovah,
what?
not Jesus. Okay, go ahead. Sorry, we'll edit this part.
Sure. Na hiyo ni kazi ya editor first AD.
I really apologize. So you're saying who has the final say?
Who has the final say?
Jehovah.
He rather turns my life around. He makes a way. So how about who has the final say, and then executive producer sani nani? And then a final say.
Creatively na venye film inatokea kusema kweli ni director's vision. Everything else producer. So where the film goes, how we're going to distribute it, who comes on board on the project is also any producer. But vision ya venye inaka, to be honest, bado ni director ndio, it's the director's film. Ina depend pia kama ni a studio film ama ni independent. Is independent ni very collaborative kusema ukweli. Si ni mimi kusema ni tu hebu tuongee to discuss tuone tuta compromise wapi. But tuseme if a studio has taken it, tuseme venye tunasikianga nini Disney. Of course ni studio iko na final say. Whether or not director amekam na hii project ama na hii film.
Na executive producer? Who's that?
Executive producer ni mtu analeta in do.
Okay.
So
Eugene Bogo.
Created by.
You ni created by executive producer.
But siendo alikuwa leta mado. Like Eugene Bugwa si alikuwa okay, maybe the idea was there, but like yendo analeta the financing. So created by Eugene Bugwa.
Okay.
Meaning yendo ameleta.
Si hata kuleta EP tunamuitanga mwenye amekupea pesa.
Okay.
So si lazima mimi naweza enda kutafuta.
Okay.
Naweza enda kutafuta hizi do, but tuseme ni Bashir amenipatia do na nataka credit kwa film. Atakuwa executive
so it's
producer.
like a ceremonial role.
Ni kama sijui hata wewe ndio umechanga the most na kupatia ya title ya EP.
Okay.
So hii mzinga tumebuy mini executive producer.
Lakini kwa mzinga.
Sawa. Hivi.
Yo, that is crazy.
Lazima useme. Yes, anatupeana.
So, they even if they bring in the money, so maybe like you can have the idea as a producer, then you pitch it to this person who's an executive producer.
Right.
So they don't change much in terms of the output, in terms of the creation. Ideally speaking,
they still do. Sasa ndio shida ya pia kucollaborate na watu wengi. Ideas za kila mtu lazima zi take into consideration. And especially now money is involved. A lot of times money is involved, ni mwenye ameleta domboba nataka kuwa na the final say.
Yeah. Na kama ni idea yake ni upuzi. Hata kama
ni kuongea pia. Sidhani
so like utamwambia knowing that the making of this project is at stake. But yenyewe hii idea umse iko down, iko chini.
Sindio?
Is that your work as the producer?
Na ni kazi yangu kuprotect pia vision ya director. Because pia shida ya kushinda tumework na wase wengi. Sa pia hii financing system yetu ni tunaendanga Europe sana kucollaborate na producers wa huko ndio tupate pesa. Watakuja na ideas kama sijui mbona tusigo with a lighter skin girl. You get like vitu mbona wanaongea sheng.
Wana George hata.
That's not bad at all. That's an idea I can get.
Finally.
No kidding. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Na tunajua maybe understand pia nuances flani za Kenya.
Yeah.
Right? Na atataka to change your fact. Ni conversations. Most of the time tuna ending up tukichange. Because pia we are like, oh, tunataka the French market or the German market ituitikie. So maybe msiana make point. Tunaanza debate ingine ya we are not making films for us. We're making films for the outside.
Saddening though.
Sana.
But now we also still need the money. Oh?
It's true.
Niko na idea wase. How about you have a film, right? Alafu unaiweka hapo kwa members hapa YouTube. So you pay a certain subscription to watch it. So YouTube handles the financial aspect, although they cool a 30% of your money. Then if you can get a minimum number of members, it can make, at least the project can break even and also make some money.
Yeah, true. Na maybe hata na hiyo si avenue, the only avenue you take on. So the other thing, tuseme kama nimeka YouTube, kama niko na distributor tuseme nani? Netflix. most of the time they take worldwide rights. Inamaanisha huwezi distribute mali pengine ever. Like the moment it's on Netflix, you can't have it on YouTube, you can't have it on any other broadcaster or distribution channel. So, as in kuna a lot. So tuseme pia nikiweka YouTube siwezi fanya festival run.
Yeah.
Because it can't be on the public domain. If you want it to be in the festival.
I don't know, just little Sundance na influenced, but
For real?
already on YouTube.
Okay, congrats, man.
You know, the only thing holding you guys back.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So did they require to put it on private and then
No,
you
it'll
head
already
up?
No, if
na
it's already
12K
there.
views.
Oh, okay.
3 comments.
Damn, shout out to you guys.
Job. Hey.
Yeah. Partner likes is a
Sundance,
nice
that's really
partner.
good. Yeah.
Ndio.
Hey.
Yeah.
Utabidi umseme amekuwa akionyesha watu rasa the entire episode.
Wait, Ivy, we have a couple of questions here from
Neza shout out mse. Naona hebu kurudi
Trevor
nyuma.
Fotel?
Trevor Fotel. I don't know if you know him. He's a rapper now. Nasema Ivy was my classmate. Big up. He also
Oh
did like
yeah, I
film.
know Trevor.
Shout out to
Oh,
Trevor.
shout out. Okay.
Shout out. It's good to know some
shout
of
out,
these guys
sorry.
who you left behind.
Niko shout out. Shout out.
Kuna msema kazi ya executive producer ni kuleta magay agenda kwa movie.
Wait, skia, kuna maswali hapa kem eh? We're gonna try
Kutoka Western
try
leo.
and ask this hatuwezi funga hii podcast ili mradi kabla hatuja
Mikakati.
Kwa minajili ya mgeni.
unfortunately, art is not appreciated in Kenya compared to Europe or USA. This is Osborne. Art should be pumped into our blood for us to understand its beauty. We need theaters in all counties to help. What's your take on that?
That's true. Honestly, we don't have enough cinemas as well. Pia kitu inasaidia Nigeria sana. Wako na cinema spaces.
Mkuna?
Sana. Mingi sana.
Locally owned.
Locally owned. Na sisi tuko na kama ngapi? 20
Countable.
That was a very commercial, eh?
Na zenye
Yeah.
tuko nazo ni hizi za mbao na watch movie 5. Hizi za ni DJ Afro.
Unasema za mtaa.
Nasema za
Kusema
mtaa.
kweli,
Like kama hizo za
kusema
mtaa
kweli,
zingekuwa
mi na feel
zinaonyesha
tunafaa
Kenyan
kuincorporate hizi ma movie shack places.
Kuna sto movie
Den bas movie den into juu kama local people wanaenda kuwatch hizo na DJ Afro anadu mbona tusincorporate
true,
into
true,
our
true,
own
true, yeah.
marketing.
even they show like our own
Exactly. Ka Nairobi Half-Life ili do very well juu watu waliipirate na zilikuwa hizo ma movie den sana. Na hivyo ndio watu walikam kuwatch hata kwa cinemas because it was already out. There's already a buzz around it.
yeah.
Na ni kitu pia lazima tufikirie, okay, sawa watu wakuji kwa cinema, maybe also hatuna cinema culture kusema ukweli. Ni what other ways can we find watu wa watch hizi movies? I think pia sisi atuja expand in that way.
Yeah. No, I get you. You're making some solid points. Calvin says, ask her why they keep hiring the same actors over and over for different roles. Does the industry lack new talents? Also ask her what she thinks of the Kenyan lose. So question number one, Kwanzaa, what do you think of hiring the same actors? What's your thought on that? Is that
What
a
do
thing?
I think? I think it's a thing, but also time is usually a factor. Na tunataka watu already tunajua talent yao.
Okay.
Even ndo tu kuwape ni zile honestly maybe hatunanga time ya kufanya ama kufanya what do you see rehearsals like prep yetu hatuna time ya prep na hatuna time ya prep juu hatuna do
Because we're on a budget.
exactly. So unajua kama blockbusters Hollywood films they can spend 6 months just rehearsing scenes over and over, even if it's not the same actor or the same actors we know, they have time for it. Sisi uko na wiki moja ya kufanya rehearsal na actor. Sina time ya kujua kama unaweza ama uwezi. So nitaendea Brian Ogola juu najua talent yake, ninajua
Unajua ta sweat.
you know on cue.
Cheke akipiga roll.
Sweat
So,
now.
nakwambia nini Zora? Cheke.
Sweating on Kiss Chris.
Nakwambia kwamba
script iko tu na jasho the bamba lilitiririka.
this Brian Ogola, there's this
Kuna nani
Foy chick.
Foi pia ako hapo.
Pia nakubambanga.
No, I have a joke yenye nasemanga like before andike script wanaanzanga na Foi kwanza.
Na nani Brenda Wairimu.
Yeah, Brenda
Sarah Hassan pia. Kuna
Shout
wale
out
wase wenye.
Audi Roa.
Shout out to Audi.
Odiro.
But also it's a finance thing because you as a producer when you've gone to Europe umengangana sana kutafuta dough, you're going to risk it on someone you've not seen act before.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Kabisa.
Yeah. So eri tupe tu nani Brian Ogola.
But pia kuna
Brenda
wasana kama I
Wairimu.
think cause
Brenda
kuna
Wairimu
hizi
pia.
ma series za young people tuseme MTV Sugar tuseme Pa we are seeing younger
Yeah.
actors start
That's
to
cool.
be
That's
casted. So pia vitu zina change. I think pia depending on the scripts na stories tunatell tumeanza kushift to Gen Zs sana sahi. So tupe
Ule
pia
demo wa
time.
volume naitwaje? Shiko someone. Moshiri. Unajua Shiko? Ako kwa kila movie.
Oh.
Volume.
Si Shiko.
You watch volume.
But
Okay.
Tumekubali though.
He's a
Shout out to the demo volume.
Mbona uko disappointed?
Volume.
Si anafanya poa, mbona
Ako fiti.
No. Shout out to the demo volume. Yeah. Also ask her what she thinks of the Kenyan news.
nisijioni.
Ni boy fulani anafanya critic. He's a
probably
film
seen him.
critic.
Maybe
Anakuwa na
different.
shati ingine ameifungwa paka hapo hivi.
Film critic.
Akogiza, yeah. He's been doing critique on Kenyan films.
Okay.
Yeah. Sio aitwa nani Megani ama aitwa
I
nani?
don't know
act.
his name.
I don't think he's acted
akona
before.
any film out there ama
I don't think he
By
does.
the way, I realized because when we were trying to get one of these celebrities to come to Radio Gen, I realized that I have a one-sided beef with one of these celebrities because she posted something and she was critiquing Drake and Chris Brown, and she was saying the way, oh, this is what happens when sijui you lose sijui nini. Then I was like, former nini, like you don't have any work to speak of. Like me, I don't like people who critique things and they haven't put anything of their own out there. You know, like I'll get if Ivy you critique a film because you're constantly putting out films out there. But I really hate people who don't get into the field. They don't play football. They don't get into the arena. All they do is sit in the sidelines and critique people who are doing things. So for me, Kenyan loser, unless nione movie yake ama kitu ameproduce, don't I respect
But
critique
umesikiza
yake.
text zake. So you've never seen him. You've not seen this guy. Oh, okay. Yeah, he does critiques.
No, shout out to the comment section. Niko na very serious takes. Kama kuna mwingine anasema mnabai kota mkunywe hao watu wote. What are your thoughts on that?
Unaona ukienda Europe for finances.
Can a film only succeed because of hiring influencers? There was a movie I watched and one of the influencers performed poorly. I think the director feared telling them to take more than one take. I think he was stirring in the deepest. So yeah, what are your thoughts on the Kenyan soap opera scene, like on Citizen and stuff?
I think it's doing what it knows how to do.
Oh, these are formula to the.
Ni soap, it's on TV, they're doing their best.
Oh,
Couple of episodes.
Okay. And then there's a style you should a soap. I'm imagining
I think so. I mean,
long gaps during the convos,
Yeah.
so staring at each other for like 30
Yeah.
minutes.
Ni ku make up time.
Utaniangalia hivyo.
Ndio umeambiwa ni episode moja ni 25 minutes but script haina enough juice.
But I guess
na
those.
pia kusema kweli they shoot a lot. Like ndio wamalize hizo ma episodes zote ama ndio uone sijui season moja iko na 50 something episodes, they are shooting like
Day and night.
pages a day. Like
Aye.
sisi kwa film tuna shooting tuseme 3-4 pages a day.
Yeah.
Au watashoot hiyo 25 minutes na siku moja. As in wawie
3 minutes, si ndio?
I don't
Damn,
know.
that's crazy.
But also
That's
it's
like
a lot
one
of
scene.
actions.
Yeah.
okay.
It's
And
so it
setups
could be more than
angles,
3
too.
and angles na
Yeah.
takes pia ni more than 1 or 2.
True.
So shout out to them for doing something with a limited budget, I guess.
Yeah, bus. And limited time, as in they're doing their best.
And then
Yeah.
all those actors get at least some money coming towards them and stuff. Is there an industry rate for acting? Like if you want to
There should
hire a
be.
premium actor, is there like an industry rate?
KFC wanakwanga Kenya Film Commission wanakwanga
Bash.
Bucket.
Check it back, check.
Nilikuangalia
Someone say
tuna
Colonel
Noel
Sanders.
Nono pia. Cheki Kisiangani, you heard that right?
Changa.
Our bundle that on the story ya Starlink.
I think your mic was on, dude. We're back from the ditch. You guys wasewa nini? Obina TV are really trying to hold us down. But Mungu ni nani?
Yeah.
You guys wameona tunakuja sana.
Kwa mpigo tena
kuleta huyu guest wa mpigo tena shana. Wakasema wata come between us and success. Lakini Mungu akasema sisi tuko na majamaa. Yeah.
Random vlog anasema Kisiangani bana, you should be dropping episodes every single day bana. Like Mwaf na Raptor.
I tell you what, there's this app called, is it an app? I think called Kick. Unajua Kick? It's a streaming platform. So guys just go live the whole day, you guys. So I've decided this guy called Dean the Great.
Yena AB.
You guys, that stuff is hilarious.
Brona.
Aligongwa kichwa sana huo boy.
You guys, that stuff inanibamba
sana. Pepetanga drinks kama nonsense.
So guys, poleni sana mazee, the internet ilipotea, but we're back. We're still here with our special guest. Tulimwambia hizi ni vitu hazifanyikangi hapa hivi. Hata ameona hii standard yenye she's actually really impressed actually.
Don't judge the podcast by your first
because she's been
appearance.
to many podcasts, mic check. And they've not given her such just hospitality.
Rapport.
So shout out to you, Ivy, for choosing the baddest podcast to just benchmark for the But this one dike movie ya comedians. Kuna comedians wengi sana wanoma sana. Yeah? As in you throw
Ni tu wako hapo.
Now that like comedy movies would be good. Ama sisi tunafaa kuandika alafu tukuongelesha. Like this guy is a serious writer.
Yeah, this guy right here.
Yeah,
Mseni the top comedy writer.
Collaborate tufanye pamoja.
We don't have many comedy movies here.
Yeah, true. But me work na serious.
Kama Ivy.
Kama nani?
Kama unajua boy anaitwa Munene Mwarani.
Ako rehab zali ukimjua.
That joke is funny if you know and don't know who Mwarani is.
Yeah. So how does it work? I write whatever I want and then I come to you and we see how it works.
Yeah. And I also have to like the project at the end of the day.
Oh, you have to like it.
And of course. Kwani see.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Oh yeah, obviously because you don't want to waste time and money.
Pia ni a long time we're working together. Na pia relationship I think we have to have a rapport.
That's a big thing.
It's a very big thing. Because it takes years. See kitu ya 1 year, 6 months. Ni tutakuwa hapa 3-4 years together.
Maybe also that's why people prefer certain people to work with.
Yeah,
exactly. Exactly.
Because labda msea kuna kiburi imetoka hapa paka na.
Na unataka kuwa na watu already unajua na unajua work ethics zao, unajua ni nani as people.
They'll pick up their phone.
Na me as a earth girl.
Finally.
Energy has to be there.
Shout out to the earth.
Lazima energy tukwe na energy poa, energy sijui hata.
Without naming names, is it sometimes you bump into people who are hard to work with?
Of course, all the time. Na pia sometimes you don't know until you're in the thick of things or until conflict arises. It's also such a hit or miss. You're dating each other until conflict comes on and then you know how the person
who
behaves.
they really are.
But also that's then a determinant. Okay, I guess I'm not working with that person again for the next project.
Brian Agola. Anyway, so I was asking like when you're like what sets have you been in that left a mark on you that you enjoyed, and what makes a set enjoyable?
I think sets zenye mimi ndio producer zinakuanga the best sets ever. Anyone can correct me if I'm wrong. But pia ni juu mina nishaelewa ku set the mood on set. Nimework on really hizi sets kwanza za kuwork na wazungu si fun na si funny and they put you down and it's always nerve-wracking and everything is so important and if you miss a step or do something like it's panic mode all around. Sijui nini kukuja snacks azikukam na tuna panic sisi wote na inakuwa such a na I think from learning that na kuona venye na hizo sets zinakuanga especially in the commercial space sai mi kwangu ni lazima ni vibe check like ni zile si panic. Oh, kuna kitu tumewacha kamera. Okay guys, to find solution basi. As in, see, not everything is house on fire.
Yeah.
Na niko very intentional about it. Na pia watu na nao ni mabeshte.
Yeah.
Na si mabeshte tu state Bashira kwe AD juu tu ni beshte yangu, you get. But
Mwita head of catering.
but they're my friends, and they know how to work. They know the work that they're doing. Seem funny?
You're the funny.
But anajua kukula.
No, that's right. I'm really relating to the things you're saying. And these are things you've garnered over time. So, like these gems you're sharing.
Yeah.
Like you've gone through it. Ndio
nikala staki kumove hivi, staki
Industry.
Wewe ukujua Canal Plus uko hapa Kenzo.
Ile sio cans.
At least mimi ni mreal.
Yale wewe na S ukaisema.
Venye iko.
Wait. So let's go, man. Sorry, guys. We have an internet issue over here in the studio. But we're also recording offline. So when we are done, ikitu itaingia private alafu.
Redundancy.
We're gonna stitch it somehow.
Contingency.
Yeah. So tumeambia huyu guest wetu venye
Kuna KC.
hii show haikuangi hivi. Hii show inakuanga noma sana. Normally because wasosensate walitujaribu because we're looking for a local podcast with the standard that they can
A service producer.
and wakaongea na mic check, obviously they failed.
Yeah.
Baya sana. Mwafata wakumpigia. Aya, woza sidhani yako wako na namba yao.
Kweli.
Sasa they had to deal with us because they didn't have an option. But as you know in life, sometimes
Eco flow.
you guys don't know me, I'm auditioning away. I think he's really gonna give me a gig again. Check it. There's another guy.
Hapo ndo makosa
There's another guy who could do different impressions.
Shida yako ni kama unadhani audition ndio inamata. Just ni
matters?
friendship kwanza.
Sasa hivi ni best
kwanza.
brave guy.
But then, you know, a crazy thing, not so crazy, but nilipigia Safcom wanike internet kwa nini alafu wakuchukua simu, so I went with Airtel. So router ya Airtel hata stima zikihepa ikona like you've heard about that. Ikona like 6 hours. Ikona
like a
power bank.
That's cool.
So stima zimehepa 6 hours huko na mneti.
Really cool. But ini ili happen kwa stima.
Yeah, true.
Mimi
Mmepewa hapa.
Our internet is
unatumia nini gani?
Fiber.
Yeah, Safcom.
Fiber. JTL fiber.
Oh.
Yeah, so it has hiccups. So
But
no, it has never done this. What normally happens here, Ivy, is sazine steamer upotea.
Okay. Maana mnapewa options za generator na iko flow.
Hey, you're fast. Ivy is seeing everything, man. Damn, man. So Ivy, we are talking about no, Bash was telling us you're fresh from France. What are you up to there?
So there's what you might call it, a lab called La Fabrique that happens during Cannes Film Festival. Ideally, it's a lab that helps you get co-producers from different European countries. Majorly, it's Nika workshop, mnafanya, both the producer and the director. So different funders come to speak to you about what their funding is about and how you can get in. And they also set up meetings for you with different producers. How we get financing is by doing co-productions with people. Co-production ni tuseme it's a Kenyan production, ni get a producer from France and I get financing from the country, France. That's a co-production we've done. And that's what we do for us to be able to finance our films. So neza kuata na 3 or 4 different countries in one project. So zimefinansiwa na hizo countries zingine pia. Ideally that's the gist. Na nilienda tuka meet a few producers from France, Germany, I think and Norway. Which was pretty cool. Sasa tuko na shida ya decide who do we go with.
That's a good problem.
Exactly.
Yeah,
actually,
cool.
I was just telling Bashir
you just
that
cannot.
I have a good problem for sure. So that's why I was in France. And a lot of times, so I do a lot of those labs. Kasain and I have 2 projects. So I have one called Pepo Kali. It's a
Pepo Kali.
Pepo Kali.
podcast.
Pepo ambayo ni kali. Tutaishinda.
That's a feature fiction project about women biker clubs.
Hey.
That's cool.
That sounds nice.
Noma sana.
Yeah.
Women
Noma.
bikers.
Women bikers, exactly.
Cheki biker.
Piki-piki.
Unajua
Piki.
Yeah.
Si.
biker.
Check George na women back.
Kwani ni BN?
Women bikers. So what wanadai kwa motorcycle accidents?
Guy, actually ni story ya 50-year-old mama alilose mtoto wake juu alikufa kwa motorcycle accident.
sorry, man.
Alikuwa
So
na
now
yeye alikuwa na drive kwa hiyo motor.
sasa kumcommemorate
Memorialize.
Celebrate.
Commemorate.
Memorialize.
Commemorate what?
aya ana decide pia yeye kulearn how to ride a bike ndio complete ile journey the toy was doing while she got
pia alidie.
akudai.
Wow.
Thank God you're not. Are you a writer? I'm a bit worried.
Used to be a writer kitambo.
No wonder Kenya script writers are going nowhere.
So yeah, that's really dope.
It's really dope.
So
Yeah, the death of women, that's really dope.
Check it order. Wewe wife imetugiza mtaro sasa ni George mwenyewe.
I think endo pepo kali.
So that's the project you're working on right
So
now.
that's what that took me to Cannes.
Okay. Congrats to you.
Yeah,
Thank
shout
you.
out.
I'm doing another documentary as well with a Tanzanian director.
Suluhu. Sorry.
They're trying to hold us down, but they cannot.
They cannot.
They can never.
Yeah.
So iyo Sakai Sai in August tunaenda Switzerland for a program called Locano.
Yeah.
Open doors. And ideally the gist is the same. So tunafanishwa workshops kwanza, alafu tukienda huko wanatushikanisha na like producers who are interested in African films, African filmmakers.
Yeah.
And same gist, our producers tunawatafuta ndio tuweze kupata dough from their countries.
Yeah.
No, that's really dope. Do you sometimes look at the things you're doing and you're like, how did I get here?
I think kwanza hii mwaka ndio a lot of things zimefunguka sana. Ni project zote zina run at the same time. So hiyo maybe ndio niko tumefikaje hapa. And it's my first time as well doing a feature film. So I've mostly done short films. Niko kwa hiyo space. Naweza niko na films, kuna budget kubwa. Mimi ndo nitaweza kufikisha hizi budgets. Mimi ndo nitaweza kumake so niko na hizo doubts, but ni films normal, to be honest, whether I like it or not, ziko na life of its own. Whether I do the work or not, hizi films zinasonga.
Naona kuna pepo kali najaribu kuangusha hii live stream but sasa hawezi because
How do you know it will be a good film? That just has to be from the script itself. Just that.
But also places pia zinaenda kuenda Locano, kuenda La Fabrique. They are not just okay. So kama La Fabrique, the one that was happening in Cannes, we are the second Kenyan film after Rafiki that has been selected.
Hey, okay.
which film are we talking about now?
Pepo Kali.
Okay.
As in pia hizo ni indicators za labs mingi zikitaka kukua, na pia ilikuwa part of Red Sea, which Red Sea ime come up sana in our industry.
Yeah.
Red Sea iko Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
It's happening in Saudi Arabia, and it's a market that's really coming up in promoting films from both Arab and African country. So pia kuona films places zinachukuliwa ni like an indication, okay, hii film iko na an international
Audience,
appeal, audience. So ni hivyo, whether ni penance ipende inasonga. And there are a lot more people who want to back it than maybe hata mimi niko na capacity for.
Back it up.
That's a good realization.
Ni kina Sundance, Woodstock, hizo pia ni the same like a lab and then
Caliber.
connecting with producer.
So something like Sundance, it's both a festival and it's also a lab and it's a workshop. So sisi tunafanya our script writing development through Sundance. Okay. So they have different labs, it's a festival as well, they have markets, they have funding as well. So a lot of festivals zinakwanga hivyo, ziko na ni festival, yes, watu wanaenda kupeleka film zao, but wako na market mali watu wanaweza kuja kubuy and sell films ama to get producers, wako na funding where you can apply and get money. So ikwangi just festival, kuna layers to it.
Mazaya, Ivy, I've really enjoyed talking to you. I think you're the one person who's really broken this down on a level I can understand at least. So me think unafaa kukamera mob. Anytime kuna project yoyote maze una come through.
You're welcome. Level unaweza digest.
Manze jo, manze. Ivy, you're the best. Ivy is the best.
Bashir anatoka na catering.
Yeah, he loves catering. So do you want to use this chat for a backdrop for the next funika the stage? Take weka hiyo shati ya bash. So now able to plug na movies zenye umedo that we can get to watch. Even the ones you just would recommend, but let's start with yours.
Supermodo.
Yeah, I think zenye maybe tuseme nimefanya na okay, to be honest nimefanya short films but aziko on any platform you can be able to see. So nizo nitumie link ni watch
Okay.
Unfortunately.
But we can
Tunafanya
post links on the
lakini
live. You don't want to?
And your Instagram?
yeah.
Okay.
Kwa nini?
They're
As in, 'cause
owned by
bado
some-
ninazi distribute na festivals bado already two of them niko na distributor mwenye ananisaidia ku take it to places.
Okay.
So kuiweka in cinemas na kuiweka on platforms kama My Movies Africa is also another platform people use a lot. So siwezi weka tu online kila mtu
tunaweza tutumia sit watch. Okay.
of course.
So then what do we watch out for, Sai?
Let me see what
what is out there.
what is out there that I really like.
Yeah, even if you're not involved
Kuna
in
Kikuyu versus Luo. Oh, sorry, you need George.
No, imeisha. You tulisha watch.
Got it already.
But got iko wapi? Bado hawaja, I think wanajaribu kufigure out distribution sai. Niko na float but again float pia hiyo nina bado iko in festivals. So iko mahali. Kuna movie inaitwa Lusala that I was part of.
Yeah, shout out to Lusala.
That's also like by Mugambi. I think anything Mugambi works on is just like amazing. Truly.
He's a Julian alumni.
What's that?
The famous New York
Juilliard.
What did I say? Julian.
Best wako wa Kamakis.
Oh, is he? Okay.
You get ongea kwa mic.
Julian. I said Julian. Madagascar.
Julian hadi akata mic. Check so akona Julian.
Anyway, yeah.
Unajua tuko na guest wa maana sana hapa na
He hosts
Malo hanging.
K1 every Mondays. He has a
Movie.
Julian.
a movie.
No one knows who the fuck Julian is.
King Julian. Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
Where were we?
Tulikuwa wapi? Sijui.
Tulikuwa
We're asking you for your
movie.
your Rex.
Oh, recommendations.
Yeah.
Any
Any Kenyan film that you've enjoyed?
People, Shimoni. Do you guys know Angela Wamai? Okay, she's a female director. Amazing. Shimoni, it went to Toronto Film Festival, like to premiere. Where can you see it? I'm not sure if it's on Netflix. I want to say it's on Netflix, but I'm not sure. I could be very wrong. So I think upon ndio niko stuck between I know films that are so good, but where are they where are they
I think hiyo ni
showing?
shida, which
Upon your-
seems to be apparent.
What about hizo screenings like festivals? You screen those films.
But
on
unajua sasa
festivals?
ikiwa festival iko Toronto.
Oh, like nasema kama na hiyo like let's talk about like the local hizo Nairobi Film Fest. They
But
screen.
again,
so,
it happens once a year.
yeah, once a year. So
In October, last state happened in October. So most
we have to
probably
wait
it's going to be
until
again.
May.
Exactly.
Hakuna another film festival where people can go and watch these films.
Isipokuwa short shots na short shots ni for short films. So that's a perfect place to watch short films.
Okay.
NBO it's for features. So
How
again,
often does
short shots.
happen?
I think maybe I want to say twice or thrice a year. But tunaangalianga docubox ku make sure imetoka. So it's never like this is the specific times it comes out. Tuna calendar in your time you toka for sure. But how to build a library. Actually, I want to look at it now to just be sure, so that when we say mwende gote kuona isikwe ilikuanga Saturday na nafanya nini?
Yeah, but that's by nani? Maya.
Prude.
Maya
Maya and
Von
Chris.
Leko.
Ya Prude ni breakups to makeups.
Ati and who? Maya and who?
Maya and Chris.
Willis.
So
Oh,
they're
Chris.
always working together, and they're
Yeah, Chris King.
Oh yeah, it's a couple.
it's a couple.
Yeah.
Then the king is a
Maya
white guy.
Maya's in a musician. Maya
Wednesday
is
20.
the same.
Don't tell me it's today, guys.
Today?
It's today
Walai.
No, guys can still
from
make
6
it.
to 9
Yeah.
at Gote,
So
and it's free.
Leo.
Yeah.
No
free.
registration required.
Yeah, hakuna hapa ni.
And it's actually really it's really dope.
6
I've
to
watched
9.
it. It's a very high quality production. I love the way they just made it together. You know what I'm saying? It's okay.
Nimetry.
Ndio taa umeambukiza mgeni.
Yeah, man.
Amejaribu.
So
Nimetry.
they did it. It was a 2-man team, which was quite amazing considering the level of that production.
Right,
So yeah.
yeah,
So if you
yeah.
guys are in Tao, you need a plan. Just come through.
Today.
Yeah,
Today, Wednesday,
this
24th.
evening.
Unafaa kuwa
6 to
ukianza
9.
kuelekea huko.
No, if guys want to follow you and your work,
Ivy Kiru on all platforms. Uongo niko na Instagram pekee.
uko TikTok.
Siko TikTok.
Hata Facebook.
Mbona uko
Facebook.
TikTok? It's too noisy there. What's happening?
Ni kama kuna wave fulani linipita. Nilifikishwa Instagram nikakwamia hapo.
Oh, okay. Facebook. Oh,
Chini
okay.
ya-
What's up?
ya wazai.
What's up status?
To stick to Instagram.
Spiral says my top of the list is 46.
Yeah, 46.
Okay,
is
that's a
nice.
good film
Shout out
as
to
well.
Spiral.
Yeah.
Shout out to the guys who are still in the stream, man.
Yeah, shout
despite
out.
the
Despite
odds,
the-
man. So shout out to you guys. We apologize for the mishaps, but we're back.
Yeah, like
we
never
ain't gonna
left.
give up, man. Bash, shout out to you for being the plug.
As always,
Shout
man.
Ivy Maze Bash Maze ndio make this happen.
Yeah.
He was really impressed by you guys, and I'm sure the reason is you guys are
You
doing
guys are
dope
so
stuff.
cool, man, and like
Yeah.
they're doing big things, man. Like one day I pray and hope that we can make Kenyan comedy.
Amen.
Like just unaona venye Nairobi half life ni ile yenye if you can sit down and be like mbona siku hizi wase watengenezangi Kenyan comedy kama they used to.
Right.
Like just one film that wase watakuwa like a problem to like itakuwa to like the golden standard. And I feel like you guys already have your side locked.
Yeah.
Maybe we just need to work on the collaboration because I think we explain poor that it's not just straightforward. Like you have to find funding, you have to find the right knee. Like it's so when people see a good film on screen, it's taken a lot of years first of all
and work.
and finances and knee. So you need to appreciate art by the way. Like pay for it. Like usikazie like atijue like it took a lot of effort to make these things because tunawanga very casual in the way we interact with Kenyan art.
Yeah.
Nikaa tu ni some throw away ni so we're not willing to pay for it. We don't give it the respect. So maybe in the near future we can be able to do that.
Yeah.
Did you like Antol's film? Like Thai. I don't know. If
Thai.
it's called
Thai.
Oh,
Thai.
this was a docu-box.
Yeah.
Sijawatch yake but I've seen clips.
But I've just seen clips. See, I've seen Justine in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I haven't
Shout
watched
out
the
to
entire
docu-box
thing.
We should bring Ty here. He's a good comedian.
And now a film director.
Yeah.
Hey.
He's a film director already?
Yeah.
Damn, this brother, man. So we should try and platform him.
To screen your movie yake.
But sasa that's the problem is like,
Does he have any work online which we can interact with?
kama hiyo ni alifanya so it's like the problem venye ni Ivy ajaribu kusema ni you collaborate with so many people at the end of the day it's not at yours you can't come
Maybe
and
that's
say
what we
wacha nieke
concluded
tu
is a
YouTube watu
problem.
wa watch.
Yeah, but despite the odds, Maze, you guys are doing well.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Shout out to
real.
you.
Yeah.
George ameingia meeting. George ameingia online meeting. Duta, shout out to you for coming
Shout
through.
out, yo.
It's very rare to have the whole crew here, Ivy.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
so
Oh.
it's a special
It's,
occasion.
it's
Yeah.
a special occasion. Wait, see you guys on the next one. We're going to be doing the Deep Voice Squad in the evening. And also Bashir Alek is going to be at Radio Generation. The sound is fine. Pump it up. And a minute all the time. Let the music. Radio G's got your ass all day.
Radio Generation.
Ivy's vibes. She should come back. Shout out to Ivy, man. See you guys in the next one.
Thanks, man.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.